Did you know baking soda has numerous health benefits? It's true. This humble kitchen ingredient is more than just a culinary staple. Intriguingly, it holds a treasure trove of health benefits that are often overlooked. In this video, we're going to unveil 7 surprising health benefits of baking soda. We'll start with the 7th one and count down to the most unexpected benefit. So without further ado, let's delve into the amazing health benefits of baking soda, starting with number 7. Number 7 on our list is that baking soda aids in digestion. Now, how does that work, you may wonder? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid. When consumed, it reacts with stomach acid to produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide. This reaction neutralizes the stomach acid, easing discomfort caused by heartburn, indigestion, and even ulcer pain. Now let's move on to number 6, baking soda as a teeth whitener. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book. Baking soda has mild abrasive properties that help remove stains from the surface of your teeth. Plus, it creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from multiplying. So not only does it whiten your teeth, but it also promotes overall oral health. And that's not all. There's even more to discover about this humble household product. Moving on to number 5, did you know baking soda acts as a natural deodorant? Yes, you heard it right. Baking soda can indeed be used as a deodorant. It's an effective way to combat body odor without the harsh chemicals found in commercial products. Its magic lies in its ability to neutralize the acids and bacteria that cause the unpleasant smell. Just a small amount can keep you feeling fresh and confident all day. Now let's transition to our 4th unexpected health benefit of baking soda: its ability to soothe skin irritations. Be it sunburns, bug bites, or allergic rashes, a baking soda paste can offer quick relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce redness and swelling, while its mild antiseptic effect can prevent infection. Just mix baking soda with a little water, apply the paste to the affected area, and let it work its soothing magic. But hold on, we're only halfway through our list. You won't believe what's coming up next. Number 3 on our list is baking soda's ability to improve kidney function. It's a little-known fact, but baking soda can aid your kidneys in filtering out toxins from your body more efficiently. This humble kitchen ingredient helps to balance your body's pH levels, which in turn assists your kidneys in doing their job. It's like giving your body's waste disposal system a helping hand. Moving on to number 2, did you know that baking soda can also help improve your exercise performance? Yes, you heard it right. Baking soda has been shown to reduce fatigue during high-intensity exercise and increase your endurance level. It does this by buffering lactic acid buildup in your muscles, allowing you to exercise longer and harder. So next time you're preparing for a workout, consider adding a pinch of baking soda to your water bottle. And now, drumroll please, for the number 1 health benefit of baking soda: its potential to slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. This is a big one, folks. Studies have suggested that baking soda can help slow the decline of kidney function in those with chronic kidney disease. It does this by helping to manage acid levels in the body. So not only can baking soda help your kidneys work better, it may also help protect them in the long run. Surprised? Well, baking soda certainly packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. So there you have it, the top 7 health benefits of baking soda. We've explored how this humble pantry staple aids digestion and whitens teeth, how it can help improve kidney function, and even boost your performance during exercise. From soothing skin irritations to neutralizing stomach acid, baking soda proves to be much more than a baking ingredient. Next time you see that box of baking soda in your pantry, remember, it's not just for baking, it's a health powerhouse hiding in plain sight.